Sau một đêm thì thằng Tesla đầu tư 1,5 tỷ đô vô tiền tử, vô Bitcoin, thì cái giá nó bây giờ hôm nay lên là 46.000. Dạ.
Lên ghê vậy hả?
Dạ vâng. Thì hy vọng nếu mà giá 46.000 như vậy thì theo dự đoán thì có thể nó vượt mốc 50.000 trong vài ngày nữa. Dạ. Cái giá nó sẽ giảm và nó sẽ nên mở khi mà live xem để màn hình đó, nó không có được nhanh, wifi nó chậm.
Coi cái em vô cái
Yeah. Online. Thanks everyone on Twitter. I also have some account on Twitter. I discuss to us about cryptocurrency market. Now we on the live stream on Twitter, YouTube, Twitter, YouTube Live, and so many the other crypto channel to discuss about in the crypto market. Yeah. The Bitcoin crypto share now. Okay, now we wait for Mr. Nicholas. His will join a live stream with a few 5 minutes.
46 với 7 8.
Yeah.
Tăng vọt.
Yeah. Okay, T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, and then Apple should buy Bitcoin, turn wallet app into crypto exchange.
Cái đồng Bitcoin nó cũng lên 79 gần 80.
Yeah. Mục tiêu nó chắc là 100. With the tech giant flow Tesla and MicroStrategy to buy Bitcoin. And this article is shared to us about there's a question about the Apple should buy Bitcoin to turn the wallet app into exchange by the Andrew Hayward. Yeah, Andrew Hayward says transform the wallet app to crypto exchange. Apple is one of the most valued companies in the world. And this article shared to us some information to us, shared to MicroStrategy. Yeah. But still no public indication of the crypto interest to the debt from the Apple, so we need to wait to see. And the good news yesterday is the Tesla bet on Bitcoin for Goldman executing this stock. Risky capital allocation. Yeah. This morning, an SEC filing revealed that Tesla had made $1.5 billion investment in Bitcoin. They reflect the former Goldman Sachs executive said on Twitter that excited this as Tesla position. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice to see that. Oh, I got oh, what's happening? Oh, there's a share on. What's happening? There's a share. Bên đây em thấy cái xe bên chị Đất Hạnh. Quên cài đặt cái tất cả mình theo dõi tôi. Ok. Dạ. 70. Ok. Chất lượng mạng tốt rồi. Lúc nãy thì chất lượng mạng không tốt nên bên đây nó show offline sao, nên chị đang chia sẻ màn hình đúng không ạ? Dạ. Ok. Bây giờ về cái giá này là giá của đồng Bitcoin đúng không ạ? Giá Bitcoin bây giờ là 46.800 48,000. Dạ. Bây giờ là 79 đô. Dạ. Rồi giá lên dữ bởi vì nó đang được Tesla hỗ trợ để đẩy lên thêm, đẩy thêm. Ok. Trên Periscope. Chắc cái Periscope này em phải coi lại. Periscope tạo cái login. Ok. Nó bị lỗi nhiều quá ta. Ok. After that we go back to the sharing screen of the crypto as data pattern crypto. And we go here. Yeah. And then chị mở mic lên nói á chị.
Ủa em tắt hồi nãy biết không?
Dạ nãy em chia sẻ em tắt mic một tí.
Dạ. Rồi nên
Rồi vừa rồi là cũng được lợi nhuận khá không chị?
cái này mà chị Kim chỉ mua là chỉ là khẩm luôn.
Yeah.
Bữa trước nó cũng lên cao tăng
Yeah. So, okay, welcome Mr. Nicholas join our live stream today, this early morning.
Hey, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Nicholas. Our topic this early morning is about, the question is, will Apple be the next company to adopt Bitcoin after Tesla? Because early morning, the SEC confirmed that Tesla invests 1.5 billion in a Bitcoin. Yes, and then the question is, will the next is Apple? Yeah, that's it.
Hello.
What again?
Yeah, you can check some of the article I share on the screen. Yeah, T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m Bitcoin.
Investment in Bitcoin. And then what the just give me a moment.
Then after this news, we will have the question like this, and the people will think more. We can discuss about this article. Let me check some of this information this about crypto. Yeah.
So earlier you mentioned something about Tesla investing 1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Then
Yeah.
what's the worry actually?
Yeah. Yes. After that, the price of crypto jumped from 39,000 to 46,000 USD.
I should have hold my Bitcoin.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
now we have seen a breakthrough now. So I can see that it is probably going to be 50,000 in no time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I mean, even yesterday I looked at Binance. Even the ETH went up as well.
Yeah, because if the Bitcoin go up, all the other alternative coin will go up recently.
Only if there is some exceptional news, exceptional event, then I think they will happen smoothly together. But the last round, we see that Bitcoin went up, and then Ethereum was like sitting there chilling, yeah. But now it went up together as well. Yeah. So 46,000. Oh my goodness. Right. I should not have sold it at 36,000 because remember I bought some at 30,000. So I
Yeah.
sold it at 36,000.
Yeah.
So I should have waited another week,
Yeah.
It'll be 46,000. But that's fine. Yeah. So now that we see that the price movement is going a little bit on the bull side, but you see the birds is so exciting, very excited about the price. Yeah.
Yeah.
So whether how long it can stay this way is still a question. So perhaps
Bên
this
nó bị vọng.
good is to bring the window higher. So
Yeah, that's right.
it is going to go down if the price is going to go down. So I think the last round we talked about 20,000 as the what you call that? I shouldn't be calling it baseline price, but the safe. I don't know. Yeah. So if it go up and come down. So before that, a lot of people are expecting it to go to the lowest at 20,000, but I think this event has just raised the bar.
Yeah. Okay, so
Let's hope you guys who are listening and if you invest in Bitcoin, this is a good news for you today. Yeah. So just one more reminder: always invest carefully if you are and not too much of your basket. Yeah. So this 47,000 price sounds like a good thing, and it is a good thing. And will it go beyond 50,000? These are all subjective, and we are not sure. Nobody knows for sure how much the price is going to move up and whether it's going to move down. And the thing is that we are not whales. So that's all we can say to you. Unless if I hold 1 million or 2 million BTC right now, I can safely tell you that the price can go up. But we are not. Yeah.
Yes, like the same yesterday, I also do the live stream, share information about the technology and crypto. And at that time, the price of Bitcoin is around 39,000. And
yesterday I was on the Binance. I was doing some selling and buying, so I was like, wow, 39,000. Will it breach? Because yesterday the price actually spiked up to slightly above 40,000, and then it went back down to maybe 35, 36, 37.
yeah,
Not 35, but 37, 38, 39,000 range.
yeah,
So it had been hanging there for a while yesterday, and then today it is another 10,000 higher.
because
So by
yeah,
10,000 higher, then
yeah,
I think when the price move down later, it will probably reach just like what happened the other time.
yeah,
At after they breached 28,000, right? Then they move up to 37, 38, 39,000 in the first round.
yeah,
And then it went back down to 30 and below 30, and then it bounced back up to. So I guess these are the activities of the whales where they will just push up they'll just pump up the price, and then they sell they let go some of the they have, and then let the price sink down, and then they'll just whales have the money to do that. So I guess this is the point where you see that price, the bar chart, the candle chart and the bar chart below. The candle chart shows that there is a big swing in the up from the 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth bar from the right. So there's big gapping swing. So you right below the bar chart, the volume chart, you see that a lot of people are buying.
yeah, that's right. A lot of people buy.
There are a lot of transaction going on. So there are a lot of buy sell going on.
Yeah,
I'm not too sure whether this it's just the bar chart is basically just about the volume of transaction, whether they
the
buy or
volume.
sell. Yeah, because the bar chart doesn't really shows who buy and who sell. How many buy and how many sell, which is just showing a total volume. So at the point where the price spike up, a lot of people get excited. They buy, they sell, they transact. And then at a point where there's small red candle, third bar from the right, you see that people start to get a little bit, 44,000 is getting out of hand, so let me wait and see. But then there's another round of rally coming. So this time there's two green bars up.
Two green bar up.
So I don't know if you are expert in candlestick studies. Maybe you can let us know how this can move later, because candlestick movement, volume bar movement, a lot of this had to do with human emotions and how they feel about the market. Of course, in cryptocurrency, there's other factor playing in this field. That factor is the whales. Because this is crypto exchange. This is not stock exchange. Stock exchange is different. Stock exchange, where people play with shares for the last 100, 200 years. There's a certain string of protocol that people can adopt. There's a certain string of movement that the stock market candle chart can move typically. So that is why in a stock market, a lot of people can make very near correct prediction, whereas in crypto you can't do a very strong prediction unless you are a whale. If you are not a whale, you can only just watch the market go on. So So once again, invest safely.
Yeah, that's right. That's correct. Invest safely, and we have some positive news. And we some question asked about if Apple they invest in crypto and they will do the exchange. I think it's possibility if the Apple they invest in crypto and do the exchange like today, people can they can buy some Apple card to 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 um, to do the exchange the
If
crypto exchange. Yeah,
if Apple,
yeah,
I don't know. I
yeah,
don't know how they are going to do that. There's only one way I think they probably might start. That is through their Apple Pay. Is there
yeah,
Apple? Yeah, I think there's Apple Pay because I don't use Apple.
yeah,
So they can start from their payment Apple Pay, just like Samsung have their Samsung Pay,
yeah. That's right.
Alibaba they have their Alibaba Alipay.
Yeah,
Yeah. So this kind of payment gateway is the best way to start their crypto if they want to have put a big foot into this crypto movement.
yeah. Crypto area. Yeah,
So of course, for a company like that, you know Apple. I don't know. Let's do this real time. Let's check Apple's share.
yeah. Yeah, that's right. So check the Apple share. Some of my friend also buy the share from Apple. If Apple they invest
Hundred and
in,
$36. Ooh, that's sad.
yeah, but if they invest in the share of Apple and Tesla now, a lot of people get a lot of profits within these years because Tesla have so many uh, movement in
Oh,
SpaceX and
okay.
yeah,
Yeah. For a moment, I got confused between Apple and Facebook. Yeah.
yeah,
So the price is actually pretty high right now. You know,
yeah, that's
because
right.
because I remember Facebook went to 400 or something, and then they came down a little bit. So I thought Apple was like $400, but no,
Yeah,
Apple has been okay. Let me share this screen.
yeah. Okay, you said was
Apple.
yeah,
Okay, so this information comes right out of Google.
yeah,
Google from here. So if any error in the information, blame
yeah,
Mr. Right? Yeah. So they are 139. I mean 136.
yeah,
So looking at all these years, wow, they are at their peak actually.
yeah,
So this is the max. Okay, of course before that they are so since 20, okay, let's talk about the last 8 months. They have it constantly moving up. Then there is a little bit uncertainty there because I think there are quite a number of product launches.
yeah,
Between they are just firing up their products, into the market. You see Samsung launch the Note 20 in
yeah,
August somewhere here, and then Samsung launched another product, I think S20 or something around here. So of course Apple was trying to launch. When did you go to the iPhone 12 invitation or something? So iPhone 12 launched between this period of time. Yeah. So of course, if iPhone 12 since iPhone 12 launched like last month or the month before. Oh,
September.
September?
Yeah,
Yeah,
mostly.
September. They launched in September. Oh, yeah. So this is
Yeah,
the spike in price, and then
yeah.
after that, now it come down again,
Go
and then now,
sideways.
yeah. So if Apple want to meddle with cryptocurrency, I think this is a good time because there's quite a substantial number of users, iPhone users rather.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
because one thing about Apple is that although I do not use Apple iPhone. Yeah.
No.
So I have a lot of friends who are very into iPhones. They're like, well, it's so easy to use. I can link this to iTunes or my Mac or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the whole idea of Apple is they want to sell the iPhone, they want to
Yeah.
sell the iPad, they want to sell the. In the past, they have this MP3 thing, or rather they
Yeah.
call it iTunes thing. Then they want to sell their computer, and all these are linked seamlessly together. That's why a lot of people like their products, because it's so easy to use. It's not so difficult like Windows, where they have to do a lot of other things to get what they want. Yeah, so of course, the thing about Facebook is they sell a lot of all these cross-sell products,
Yeah.
and that's how they make so much money. And then it's so expensive, it's it's like you go to a shop, you look at the MacBook, you look
Yeah.
at the specs of the MacBook, you're like, yeah, i5 something, and then you have the 256 SSD, and then you go and look at those Windows computer of other brands, like what are the brands? HP, Lenovo, something,
Lenovo SP.
whatever.
Yeah.
So some of the specs are actually quite good. I mean, much better than most of the specs are much better than uh, the Apple's Macs. But I guess the difference is in the chip that they are using. Yeah, so these guys use one chip. This Apple use another. I think they use another kind of chip. Or now I think they want to make their own chip, right? I think the quite a number of videos we shared ago we shared. We are looking at some of the articles, and Apple was planning to manufacture their own chips. Yeah, so if they do that, of course they have a higher hand in terms of control of the product,
Yeah.
profit margin rather. Profit margin is a main thing for everybody, including Samsung, including Huawei, including Oppo, whatever. Yeah,
Yeah.
so all these companies, they make a product, they give you a product. It's all about profit margin. Don't be fooled by the technology. The technology
Yeah.
are just typically quite similar.
Yeah.
Yeah. So but the fact that iPhone is coming out with only just a few models in comparisons to the Samsung, which have a lot of various
Yeah.
different markets, I think it's about time iPhone need to look at different market too.
Yeah, that's right. It's also one of the tool for Apple to invest in, because the Apple user, there are a billion user
Yeah,
use the Apple, right? And if the user they use that device, they can do the exchange, do between the fiat and crypto within your phone. Yeah, it's a good choice for them if they
yeah,
jump into the market, and the market share, the stock share will increase dramatically.
yeah.
Like yeah,
As much as they can expand, I think their market is still majority in the US, in the Europe.
yeah,
Of course, in Asia, there are a lot of people carry iPhones, but because in Asia Pacific we have like 600. No, we have like how many? Just in Southeast Asia alone, we have 660 million population.
yeah,
That is a lot of people. Uh, that is excluding China.
yeah,
So of course, China have 1.4 billion. That's their problem. That's their own thing. Yeah.
yeah,
So I'm talking outside of China. We have like what 660 million people. Singapore, Thailand, Cambodia, Indonesia, Japan, Korea, and all this, Philippines, and all this. So
yeah,
so we have 660 million population. So iPhone's market in its majority in Asia falls within this market, and of course, in this market, we have Samsung, we have Huawei, we have a lot of other brands of phone that is coming in to compete with Apple. So Apple's strongest competition are mostly faced in Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia and Southeast Asia.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. So of course in Korea, I think a lot of people will just carry their own Korean-made phone.
Yeah, that's right. But in China, is the biggest market for the phone company.
Yeah. China, they have iPhones in China as well, but probably not too popular because of Trump, right? They have a lot of beef there. So
Yeah.
so a lot of beef between Trump and China for the last few years.
Yeah.
So of course China don't they don't have to worry. Like if I'm Huawei, I just make, or if I'm a company like Huawei, I'll just make my R&D, get more smarter people and make my own core, make my own chip, or rather, since they are a private company, they doesn't have to rely on the public's opinion.
Yeah, that's right.
So that's the difference between a lot of Chinese companies than the US companies, because US company, a lot of them, they strive on the public's money. Yeah, whereas China products, China companies, we are talking about mobile phone companies, mobile devices. So a lot of all these tech company in China, they are not listed.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe half of them are listed, but the other half, I mean, they have so much billions of dollars in US dollars, so much billions in US dollars, but they are not listed. You want to buy their shares, but you can't.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's a difference between some of these competing companies in Asia, particularly China and the US. Yeah, US, China. Yeah, so
Because Mr. Nicholas, just now share to us information about the Apple and the phone market in around the world, and we wonder will Apple to invest in crypto again. And now we go to the next article in the crypto. This morning we have so many news. Is the news about okay, what Bitcoin hit.
I think because people like Elon Musk says, companies like Tesla. Just now the article says Tesla or Tesla based on Bitcoin, right?
Yeah, that's right. That's
big companies in US like Tesla is getting on to Bitcoin or expected to get on to Bitcoin. Then a lot of other big companies will follow suit, I believe. Yeah, because it's like, hey, this brother here is getting onto Bitcoin. I can't lose out. I have to go on it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's right. And then the next, the last article today, I think is about the price of the Bitcoin Visa. Yeah, remember 10,000 of the Bitcoin. Bitcoin Visa now is worth 470 million. Yeah, like your hey Zach. Yeah.
We are only eating just the one bit of the resin in the pizza.
Yeah. Yeah.
The big pizza is eaten by all these whales.
Yeah.
We are only having that small bit of resin. It's tasty.
The fingernails, just the fingernails.
Resin. Yeah.
Yeah, that is because worst of the price today, the worst of the pizza, the pizza is like this, and then we will go to T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m. It also have a nice news about crypto. Let's check it out. Check. Here's a lot of news say about the Tesla, Apple, and Bitcoin price now is hit for 46,000 and will it hit 54,000 soon. Yeah, here's a trader like 50,000. The red signal trader expect 50,000. Yeah, they also expect about this. Let's check on. Okay, a lot. And also have some well profits as high Ethereum gas fees side like retail DeFi investor. Yeah, a lot of DeFi project if you are the people who do the mining in ETH, you also can have profits because of the gas fees higher. Ether is flying to the moon. Where does fuel ATS rocket? Yeah, the Ethereum price now is around 1,600, right?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yesterday it went up to 1,700 something.
yeah.
You see?
I expect it may hit 2,000 soon.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I set some ETH for sale at $2,000. Hopefully,
yeah,
I get it.
yeah. That's right. Of course, it will hit sooner or later, and we all can have a profits in the crypto trading. And then we are not only live stream on Facebook, but also on the Twitter, on the D-Live. D-Live is one of the gaming live stream. You also can earn some of the
What's the difference? Maybe the public listeners would like to know what's the difference between T.e.l.e.g.r.a.m and Discord.
D-Live is one of the decentralized video platform.
Right.
You will receive some of the coin if you watch the video and you do the live stream there, and the coin is look like the BTT. Not only on D-Live, we also have the other platform like Theta. Also, you will receive some of the Theta coin and
Is D-Live a little bit like Twitter?
no, not a little bit like this. D-Live here, this platform you can you you can join the other streamer. You watch the game, they play the game here, and then you can invite the other. You get the lemon. It looks like the money
Lemon. I like
in the link. Yeah, and then you tip you that means you send them some of the lemon to encourage them, yeah, like this. And it's also have mostly for the game stream.
Yeah.
Also have the place for the cryptocurrency. Also,
I think people will need to spend a lot of time on this platform.
yeah. But this delight when I try to see this uh, this platform, I am testing most of the video after do the live stream. It will be here. It should be here, and after 3 days, all the stream data will be deleted. Yeah,
Oh, after 3 days it will be deleted.
deleted the replay.
Okay.
But the live stream is still on live stream, because when we do the live stream, it will show up on the live stream screen here. Yeah, and then you can this thing is donate to the streamer. Yeah, this one to contribute, and all the chat will be here. It show up here. Yeah, it's very simple platform. It's just like this, and you can upload the video, but it's take some of the requirement. If you reach some level you can. And currently there's one viewer from this platform. I also choose the topic is in the cryptocurrency. Yeah, this is a new platform, and some of the best streamer in YouTube from YouTube they switch to here. Yeah.
Oh, all right. So
yeah.
This is competition with YouTube.
Yeah, of course, because YouTube is more centralized. This one is a decentralized. It's this video is on here, and this decentralized. I need to do more research to see how more decentralized, because as I know last time we do on the IPFS protocol. Yeah, mostly on this one, on the protocol, and no one can delete your video, and that's more decentralized platform for us to manage our own, and you also have your own wallet, your crypto wallet here to do it. Let me.
You know, Bitcoin, not Bitcoin, YouTube video, when you post a video and then the video will stay there in your account or rather in your page,
Yeah,
right?
that's
So
right.
it will not be deleted, right?
Yeah.
Unless you choose to delete it, which I don't think you want to do that. So does D.e.l.e.g.r.a.m have just like I mentioned something, nobody can delete the video, but those what was the auto video delete thing that you was talking about on D.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, that let's say if someone, a user, posts some videos on D.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, will it
Yeah.
stay there forever, just like YouTube, so to speak?
Yeah, of course, it will stay forever. But I mean, what the different decentralized and centralized? Some of the streamer, after they do the live stream, post a video, but YouTube they feel unhappy with that streamer, they can delete it, right?
I don't quite get you.
This means that the decentralized mean the big boss still watching you. If you do something not good, they can delete your video.
You're talking about the decentralized one?
Centralized one.
A centralized one, yeah.
Yeah.
Of course.
It's look like we are the streamer on the Bitcoin crypto market. But last few years, if we discuss in the Bitcoin crypto market, the YouTube bot will automatically delete your video because it's irrelevant or something like that.
So if you say in your video start to stir nonsense, like trying to tell people
Yeah,
about bad things about this religion or that religion, or things that are very offensive and whatnot. Of course, YouTube, they have a policy to allow the system. Okay, let me unshare this video.
yeah, that's
They have a policy to allow the video to be deleted.
right.
So because that go against their policy, but in
Yeah,
decentralized platform like D.e.l.e.g.r.a.m, decentralized YouTube,
yeah,
yeah. So that video can never be deleted by anyone except yourself.
yeah, that's right. But
Yeah.
if you are against the policy, the deadline they can it mean don't allow you to join the platform. Yeah,
They'll
just
bar you, right? You're like, oh, this guy is not good. He's only coming in for trouble. So
yeah.
I will not allow him to
Maybe
register an account.
you will not get the donation from the other people. Yeah, that's the thing. That is one they should have the control the platform to make the platform safety for environment. Yeah, of course. Yeah,
Yeah, of course. That platform must not at any point of time stir potential
yeah,
terrorist movement. Then we'll have a problem.
yeah. That's right. And
Then you don't need to invest in Bitcoin anymore. The war will come.
yeah, yeah. That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's all for our live stream this morning today. Thanks everyone join our discussion. Thanks people join our live stream this morning, and hope you have a nice day and have a nice Lunar New Year. How about your Lunar New Year pre, uh, preparation? from your side?
My New Year preparation is not much of a preparation at all.
Yeah.
Because this year is you know, you're just gonna be chill over it.
Yeah.
So if I am a student, I would love to visit all the families I know and
Yeah.
get ang pao.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me find the ang pao and show you guys.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and then I will end the live stream within a few seconds because
Right.
this live stream is to go on multiple platforms. That's why we